Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 5 electric smokers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best electric smokers. The 5th product on our list is the Dyna-Glo Digital Electric Smoker. The Dyna-Glo Digital Electric Smoker simplifies smoking meat and gives you a good cooking experience. It has an abundant power of 800-watt burners that work excellently in the cold environment. Its multiple specifications offer you the convenience to your work. It comes with digital buttons for setting and monitoring cooking time and temperature. With just one push of a button, you can have the integrated meat thermometer show the internal temperature. An extra feature is the side access wood chip loader. This prevents the loss of heat and lessens the smoke. You can add wood chips to enhance the capability and cooking without getting a mess or losing heat. This electric smoker uses an insulated double-wall firebox and high-temperature door seal to retain heat and smoke while cooking. This way, it will not create any problems for its users. Finally, it has a tray that gathers grease and liquids from your cooking. You can remove it for easy washing. It will surely introduce you to the fantastic world of outdoor cooking. Its pros are: it has a higher power rating than most electric smokers. It comes with a lot of cooking space. Its digital thermometer is accurate, and it comes with a quality build. However, the cons are: it does not have a window to view the meat you are cooking. It only has rear wheels that make it hard to move around. And it is expensive. Despite the price, Dyna-Glo DGU732BDE-D provides good value for money. It comes with features and functions that make your cooking experience much easier than other electric smokers. Up next in the 4th place is the Char-Broil Deluxe. This Char-Broil Deluxe digital electric smoker is a gift for cooking enthusiasts who stipulate for smoky flavor with full richness in food and at the same time want hassle-free cooking. This digital electric smoker comes with 4 movable trays that you can adjust however you want it. It allows you to smoke chicken, pork, ribs, and even turkey. You can easily fix the temperature on its advanced control panel with easy-to-read blue LED display. Once the meat reaches the set temperature or time, the electric smoker automatically lowers the heat and keeps the food warm. It also comes with remote control for more accessibility. Moreover, it is built with a glass door and an interior light, so you can easily take a look at your food inside. This Char-Broil Deluxe digital electric smoker is intelligently designed that you will not be able to stop yourself from appreciating it. It is a piece of modern equipment that gives you a classic taste. Its pros are: it is built with a vast space of 725 square inches. It features a removable integrated meat probe to alert you when the meat is ready. It has 4 adjustable racks that allow you to cook more than one food. It is made of stainless steel, and it is designed with front glass for you to see inside without opening the smoker. However, the cons are: the remote control has limited distance, and the LED display is hard to read in direct sunlight. If you are looking for an electric smoker with a lot of space, Char-Broil Deluxe should be on top of your list. It comes with a lot of features that help you smoke your favorite meats with ease. Still haven't found an electric smoker that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Cuisinart COS-330. Cuisinart COS-330 is an electric smoker with a lot of features and space. It has 548 square inches. That is more than enough for cooking large pieces of meat without any hassle. It is designed in such a brilliant way that its footprints do not engage more space to interrupt your movement. It is more likely designed for the barbecue kitchens or patios. There are 3 removable racks in it. These racks allow you to enjoy the smoky flavor from various meat on different preset levels. Moreover, you can remove them for cleaning purposes. This electric smoker allows you to customize the internal temperature using the control dial. It can provide heat ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, thanks to its 1500 watt heating element. Moreover, it has a built-in thermometer on the front door that allows you to monitor the internal temperature easily. The electric smoker needs wood chips when grilling, but do not worry about the mess. It has stainless steel trays that hold the wood chips and water so that you can clean it up without any problem after use. Its pros are: it offers a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It provides sufficient cooking space for large families. It is designed with an ergonomic door handle, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. However, the cons are: the build may be too lightweight for some buyers, and it does not come with electronic temperature control. The Cuisinart COS-330 provides you with the widest temperature range and longest warranty among any electric smokers within its price range. If this is what you are after, take a look at it now. The second product on our list is the Masterbuilt Digital Electric Smoker. If you want to compete in the market of barbecue and upgrade your electric smoker, Masterbuilt Digital Electric Smoker is for you. It has 4 racks inside where you can place multiple dishes, whether it's meat or vegetables. This electric smoker is black to black. It is convenient to wipe off, and it has an aluminum coating inside that helps distribute the smoky taste in your food evenly. It has a digital display and control buttons to control the smoker's cooking time and temperature. An additional feature that you'll probably like the most is the inserted water bowl. This retains the moisture in the food. Also, it allows you to get different aromas by infusing essential oils of your choice. It feels awkward when you cannot see your food when cooked, but you can track the pulse with its digital control system. There is also an air dampener located at the side of the control panel. This one controls the airflow inside the smoker. Finally, it has a side tray where you can lodge wood chips to maintain the smoke inside. Its pros are: it comes with 4 chrome-plated racks that will allow you to smoke a lot of meat at the same time. It's built with a patented side wood chip loading system that lets you add wood chips without opening the door. And the digital controls are easy to use. However, it may not generate enough smoke to cook your food when you're cooking at a lower temperature. Despite this minor issue, Masterbuilt MB20071117 is an easy-to-use electric smoker. You set it to your desired levels and let it take care of your meat without any hassle. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top electric smoker is the Bradley BTDS108P. In the list of the best electric smokers, Bradley BTDS108P is our top pick as it has all the features everyone who enjoyed smoked meats wants in an electric smoker. It is a digital smoker and one of the best made by Bradley. It is strongly manufactured with stainless steel and insulated wall from inside. This electric smoker does not only look good, it is sure to keep the heat and smoke locked inside efficiently. It also gives you complete control over the setting. Its temperature goes up to 280 degrees Fahrenheit. From inside, the 6 racks of 858 square inches are enough to jam a fair amount of food in them. Finally, its puck feeder is admirable in that it gives excellent work with less effort. The only problem you might have is that it is a large-sized smoker, so you have to place it somewhere with a huge space. Its pros are: it has a large cooking capacity, it comes with digital controls that are easy to use, and it is easy to clean and maintain. However, the cons are: it is expensive, and it is big. If the price tag and size are not an issue, then go for Bradley BTDS108P. Its large capacity allows you to smoke a lot of meat at the same time. It will surely make gatherings a lot more fun and satisfying. we will recommend it as the best quality for the price. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.